Namaste guys, in this video we are going to learn how to make a morphing curve animation in Blender. So let's start. As you can see that I have two texts, hello and another one is world. You can make it easily in Inkscape as a SVG and import it as a curve. Okay. Now what I want to do is I want to hello to morph into world. So what I can do is uh, select this by pressing shift, select this one, press N, go to the edit mode. Uh, let's make it small. You will see some option called curve shape keys. Click assign shape keys. Okay. Now notice there's only one here. So if I select this and go to curves, click on hello. Now I got a morphing, simple morphing animation. So in that way you can make a very simple curve morphing animation. And just in case if you don't know where I can get this add-on, it's a inbuilt Blender add-on, so you don't have to pay anything. Simply type curve and just check all of these. I think this is the one. So yeah, it's a free everything. So you can make custom animation as per your requirement. So I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you have any kind of doubts and queries, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.